In order for four of these spiritual forces, four of these energy forces to activate in your life, for example, in order to activate Agwu in your life, the Agwu Binimegi, which is the wisdom, in order to activate it in your life, you have to start studying. You have to start researching. You have to separate yourself from ignorant people. You have to separate from it. Activate Agwu na ndụ gị. If you want to manifest wisdom in your life, if you want to manifest akonuche, knowledge, you have to separate from ignorant people, and then you have to be seeking for everything that has to do with amamihe. You have to start seeking that. You have to start looking for that. You have to start studying, researching. Embrace yourself to the truth. Embrace yourself to knowledge. Give your life to knowledge. Okay? In order to activate wisdom in your life, you have to give your life to knowledge. Okay? Okay? That is also the path. Utesha activator Soranandogi. Okay? You have to give your life to knowledge, to seeking knowledge, to knowing the truth. Separate yourself from ignorant music, ignorant people, ignorant movies, anything ignorant that are trying to govern Osena Bogin, which is your two eyes. You have to separate from those things. Obu naturally activate Agunandogin. So whether my Dibia, whether a Dibia helps you activate these things or not, if you are not activating it by your own physical self, it's not going to work. Okay? So you will just be like a Adaka Yisud. So just like Indiano and Agwolo Kite, Indiano and Agwo Kite, how they knock Adaka Yisud. They look like money misroad. You know what money misroad is, right? Somebody in a Klionya and I say, hey, or the Konya no a total ego a total. Oh yeah, but I got but Ozuli notion. I mean, when they will just look like as if they stole money. Like what they have was not based on, achievement. You understand? So that's in order for what you achieve to look like something you achieve, you have to apply practicing and focus to knowledge in order to activate wisdom in your life. In order to activate Ikenga n'ime onwe gị, you have to practice how to be persistent in something that you're focused on. You understand? You have to practice persistence. How do you practice persistence? You have to encourage yourself. Let's say you set a goal. Let's say Nina was the ball. Let's say it's a goal post. You try to score goal or you try to score again or you try to score again or you cannot stop. You understand? This is how to activate Ikenga in yourself. You have to continue to practice. You have to continue the persistency. Whether you are losing hope, you have to find a way to keep going. That is what Ikenga is. Before you know it, you will become used to working hard is something or just because listen, check this out. Willpower without Agwu. This is why I presented this element. Willpower without Agwu. It's like some onye omenike. So you need Agwu. Ikenga needs Agwu. Likewise, Agwu needs Ikenga. You understand? Your wisdom needs a willpower. And willpower needs your wisdom in order for you to achieve something in life. You understand? So your willpower needs persistence. Your wisdom needs persistence. And persistence needs your wisdom. You understand? So that's in order for you to achieve whatever you want to achieve. So you have to be persistent through wisdom. You have to be persistent through knowledge, through the knowledge of self. You have to be persistent through akonuche. You understand? So that's how to go about activating Agu and Ikenga in your life physically. You will manifest it. And Obido, because Oto de na more or de na mother. You understand? So when you activate it physically, the thing will manifest in your. When you activate it physically, the thing can manifest in your spiritual essence. You understand? Likewise, when it comes to Ugoebenaja, because all these things now is aligned to manifestation. When you align Aguni Kenga, you are going to gain manifestation, which is Akwale Omomo, which will give birth to success. Because Akwale Omomo will give birth to success in your life. Okay? Now, when it comes to Ugoebenaja, the way to manifest it in your life is to, first of all, the number one protection doge is to eat healthy. The number one way to protect yourself is to that's your electromagnetic energy. So you can protect yourself by okay? Then your surroundings. Move away from dangerous people. Move away from danger. Stay away from danger. Okay? Think about safety. Let safety govern everything that you're doing. Okay? Let safety and health. Health has to do with unity, then also safety has to do with your what you're encountering every day in your life. So this is how to manifest these 4 energy forces in your life. Okay? And there's no possible way that if you keep persistent in all these things I just explained, there's no way that you're not going to be able to achieve anything that you're trying to achieve. There is no possible way that you will not be able to achieve anything that you want to achieve if your willpower is being governed through Agu, which is akonuche, which is wisdom, based on what you have learned through the knowledge that you have gained. And there's no way that you igaje danoya mobuni inetie no bihen genye gendo. Likewise, there's no way that all that you get when you are practicing safety. That's how it is.